In this video, I want to show you how to connect an EOS Arrow 100 to the Diamond Maps offline app using an Android phone. Note that these instructions will also apply to a tablet, but they are not applicable to an Apple device or to the browser version of Diamond Maps. These instructions also assume that you already have a Diamond Maps account. If you don't, then go to diamondmaps.com and start a free trial. So, let's get started. First, power on your Arrow and make sure that the red light comes on. Then, connect its external antenna. Now, you need to connect your phone to the EOS Arrow 100 over Bluetooth. To do that, you go to the Settings app, then Bluetooth. Different devices will have different routes to get to this screen. Then, find this arrow on the list of either paired devices or available devices. Then, click on it to connect. Then, click Pair. While most customers simply run Diamond Maps in their browser, in these instructions we are going to use the Diamond Maps offline app because it is capable of a more robust connection with the Arrow. So, if you haven't already installed this app, open your Google Play Store and search for Diamond Maps offline. Once it pops up, install it. Then open the app. Log in with your Diamond Maps username and password. Once you've logged in, click Download New Map. This will show you a list of any maps you have already created in your online account. So choose one of them to download to your phone for offline use. Once the download is complete, click on your map. From here, click the menu button, then select GPS status. Be sure to leave the source datum set to WGS84, and if your arrow is mounted onto a pole, enter the pole height in the box provided here. These settings will be remembered. Now, click the Select button. A permissions pop-up may ask for access to your device's location, so click while using the app. Then, select Scan for Bluetooth devices. Some Androids may have an additional pop-up here, so click Allow if one appears. Then, select your arrow from the list. If you see these lat, long, and accuracy readings changing in the gray box here, then that confirms that Diamond Maps is connected to the arrow. You may need to go outside with an unobstructed view of the sky. If this is the first time you have used the arrow, it could take several minutes to obtain its first fix. And you're all set up. For more detailed instructions, visit help.diamondmaps.com. Now that you have your arrow connected, let's go outside and start collecting some points. Now that we've connected our GPS to Diamond Maps and we have our map open, let's mark some points. Some people have their GPS and phone both mounted to a pole. You can also buy a handheld bracket that allows you to mount your GPS to your phone. Or you could just carry your GPS and set it on each point, which is what I'm doing here. Just be sure to keep your phone and the arrow within Bluetooth range of each other at all times. As I walk down the street, I can see my location on the map, represented by this moving yellow dot here. Stand over a point you want to mark. Then, click on the Draw button. Choose the layer you want to add this point to, and click the yellow GPS Point button. From here, type in any information about this new point in the form that appears. Then when you're done, click this Add button. To mark another point, I just change to the appropriate layer and mark that point in the same way. If you're using the online version of Diamond Maps, then these points are automatically saved to the cloud as you mark them. But in the case of the offline app, which we are using here, you will need to synchronize your changes at the end of each day. To do that, click Menu, Offline Maps, and then click the Sync button next to your map name.